Hi all, my name's David from StreetFighter Australia, New Zealand, and today we're here to show you our all-new GT Mustang oil cooler kit for the right-hand drive Mustang. One of the great things we're finding with the new Mustang is that it's got such a great platform both in handling and such a great engine in power that it can be used for really spirited driving or track work, as well as your everyday driving. So along with that comes higher oil temperatures, and that's what we're going to speak about today. How to cool those oil temperatures a little bit better, a little bit quicker, and that way when you are having a spirited drive or do decide to go out on the track, you've got a bit more protection for your 5-litre Mustang. So to be able to keep those engine oil temperatures cooler, StreetFighter have sourced a fantastic package from Mishimoto America. Now they've designed a kit for their left-hand drive American Mustangs, and StreetFighter Australia have taken that kit and tailored it with several components to perfectly suit our right-hand drive vehicle. So we're just going to go through some of the components in the package. The main component is the oil to air cooler. Now this is a 13-pass bar and plate cooler which sits at the front of the grille and takes in maximum air while you're driving. Now this replaces your oil to water cooler on the vehicle. It sits at the front of the car, takes maximum air, but also looks fantastic. Now you can utilise this on both a naturally aspirated vehicle, it will fit there perfectly, or it will actually fit with most aftermarket intercooler kits. So if you've got a supercharger and you've got an intercooler mounted, this is designed to fit with a supercharger intercooler, again directly in the front of the vehicle. One of the neat parts about the kit is the mounting plate for the front cooler. Not only acts as a mounting plate, but it actually diverts air directly onto the air cooler. Now that's fantastic for ram air. As you're driving, it will actually force all the air and direct it for you. Now the idea of this kit is to remove the standard oil to water cooler. Now that cooler does utilise the bottom radiator hose to cool it down through the cooling system. So we delete that off the standard vehicle, so we need to replace it with a high flow bottom radiator bypass hose. So that's included in the kit. Now with the oil getting cooled really quickly with the air to oil cooler that we're fitting, we need to make sure it actually is regulated. So we utilise a sandwich plate with a thermostat in it, and that allows your oil to get up to temperature quickly on startup. So your oil's at the correct temperature, much quicker than it normally would be, and it's regulated at a correct temperature. Now all of this is plumbed together with high quality stainless steel hosing, stainless steel fittings, aluminium bands. That is all suited to fit your right-hand drive Australian Mustang. The whole kit is plumbed together with high quality. Probably one of the most important aspects of the kit is designed by StreetFighter. It is a direct fit component, easy fit. It's designed to bypass the standard right-hand drive Mustang oil cooler. This allows the whole kit to fit perfectly on our Australian Mustangs. Okay, what I want to show you is the factory standard oil cooler on our right-hand drive Australian Mustangs. These are different from the US Mustang. They're actually housed at the rear left of the engine. Now, a couple of problems with this cooler. It has been known to fail. This cooler is an oil to water cooler, so it's actually plumbed with water through it to cool the oil in the engine. That's fine when it all works perfectly. But what we have been known to see is that the coolers have been known to leak, both oil internally into the cooler or vice versa, oil externally squirting outside the cooler. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of difference in the size of the standard cooler versus our upgrade system. The most important component in this package is our oil bypass manifold. This was designed by StreetFighter so the kit perfectly fits the right-hand drive Mustang. Now its purpose is to completely delete the factory oil cooler, and secondly it's a direct replacement for it, so it bypasses the oil to the cooler. Another feature we've put into our oil bypass manifold is a neat little port here for oil pressure and oil temperature. Now this is able to be updated or upgraded with our oil pressure monitoring kit that you can buy as an option as well. So there we have it folks, our StreetFighter engine oil cooler kit for your Mustang. Utilising the high quality Mishimoto oil cooler, our specifically designed bypass manifold to perfectly suit your right hand drive Mustang. Now this kit is a direct fit kit, there is no modifications, no cutting. So this kit is available from any StreetFighter Specialist Workshop, Australia or New Zealand wide, or just simply get in touch with us for more details. See you next time folks.